Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cupcake Lover, and we're just gonna do some more rounds of Subway Surfers. But as you can see, yes, I got the Christmas update, and I haven't played the Christmas update yet. Yes, I still have that nasty cold, and we're just gonna be doing just some Subway Surfer Christmas stuff. Hooray! White, that's the word of the day. And we have to get 40 stockings. Hiya! That shouldn't be too hard just to get all them. I just missed another one, but oh well. We're gonna get the word of the day today, and yeah. I will be posting a Minecraft video too. I'm going to start the series today because it's a Friday, you know. Why not? On the series days, I will be posting the series is really like whenever. Mostly, maybe just on Fridays. Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. I hate that song. It's so catchy though. Oh, no. Oh, look at it. The puppy's a little Rudolph doggy. So cute. As you can see, I've been saving up my money to buy some mystery boxes. So let's get a couple. Boom, what do we get? Yes! Another fresh stereo. What else are we gonna get? A money bag. More money to buy boxes. 2 hoverboards. Some more money. What else? We got another one of Spike's guitars. And another one of Fresh's stereos. We got another one of Spike's guitars. I got another hoverboard. Another money bag. Another money bag. And another hoverboard. This is going to be our last one, maybe. Yeah, this will be our last one. And another money bag. Why not? Just one more. I'm sorry. Get a lot of them. And another one. Oh, Spike's guitars. And let's get into the next round. So, yeah. Feel a little bit better. And as I was talking about the Minecraft series, it might be every Friday, or it might be just whenever I feel like it, or every day, like these videos. I've started doing 2 videos a day, because why not? Just remember to leave a like on the video, comment what games you want me to see. Want to see me be playing next. Ow, and please remember to subscribe. So, yeah, and maybe as soon as we get up in the higher like ranks of subscribers and stuff, we can like start playing Hunger Games together. Yeah, I don't know, just want to do really anything mainly. Sorry, I was so quiet for a few minutes. I was just watching something really weird. It's like on Adult Swim again, and it's of like King of the Hill, and it's like of his friends like in their underwear. It's really weird. I don't know why. But if some of you guys may know, there's this girl like named Lauren Stone. Don't hate on her. I don't know her personally, or I don't really know her at all. Even though her content doesn't look that good, it looks fake and cheesy, but she's just young and wants to like be good like some other people. I'm not using the other reference because I am not good at all. I suck like a Pokedex. Gouda, Pierre, we're gonna give you guys a shot. Shot, everybody. Earlier, that was a song. Does everybody like remember one of those songs when you were like younger that you hear on the radio, and then when you hear it like again, it gets you so mad because you've been looking for it for like ever? That was like me when I heard Soulja Boy. Like, you break that soul, you watch me Superman or something like that. Now watch me, you break that soul. Or like again with My Immortal Essence, it was like, when you scream, I'd wipe away her. Ow! That was my aunt's favorite song, but when she died, she had cancer. I don't know, but that was her favorite song, and I liked it. Or like, what are one of those other songs? Like, another one was, like, smack that, get on the floor, smack that, oh. Smack that till you get so, smack that, you want some more, smack that till you get so, smack that, oh, whoa. I don't know why, but as you sing the lyrics of the song, it sounds quite dirty. Don't you hear? Smack that, I'm on the floor, smack that till you get so, smack that, show me some more, smack that, oh, whoa. Yeah, ewy. Quite rated PG-13. I thought I died. Yeah, it's really gross and weird. Or like, I don't know any other songs that I've heard. Oh yeah, like Green Day. I walked this lonely street on the boulevard of broken dreams. Da-na, na-na, na-na, na-na. Your shadows walk along. Yeah, that one too. It's really weird. Oh, I beat my score. Yeah. It's just weird though. Like, I don't know why, but smack that, I'm on the floor. Convict, Akon, Slim Shady. You watch me creeping, I'll be see you in the shadows. Pump up and on a boogie, little auto. Smack that, I'm on the floor. Smack that, till you get so. Smack that, oh, whoa. If you do want to see me do a singing video, just tell me, because I might make one maybe. Ooh, I can upgrade stuff? Oh, yes, please. I like upgrading stuff. I never knew that. Or maybe it was already there and I'm just too stupid to notice. Anyway, yeah. I don't know. Excuse me, I am so sorry. I apologize so much. That was quite nasty of me. But I don't. I need to think of something else to talk about right now. I don't know really. All of my doubts drowning away somehow. One step closer. I've been dying every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I will love you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. Or like, for my next video, I'm gonna probably just do a quick singing video, and it's gonna be like Emperor's New Clothes by Panic! At the Disco. And I might do, this is gospel. This is gospel for the pain of agribah in permanent slumber. Oh, whoa, this is my beautiful. All against the odds. Yeah. If you love me, let me go. Oh, 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 oh. My truth be told, I did what's wrong. My fear of falling apart. Oh, my fear of falling apart. This is gospel for the pain of vagabond. It's number. I don't know. I might just do the Emperor's New Clothes. Anyways, guys, after I die, I think I'm gonna end it here because this is another longer video, you know. I wanna say, I need somebody to tell me in the comment section below. Does Panic at the Disco and Fall Out Boy have beef together or something? Because I've been hearing rumors about it. I don't know. Do they have beef? Do they have no beef? Nope. Darn it. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Au revoir!